I became a client at Main Image because I had suffered from hair loss slowly for years and years, and off and on I would look for a solution. And I tried very different places all over the state and not found the one. And I just happened to do a search one day. About every 6 months I would be just out of sorts about it. And so I did a search one day and found this place and thought, well, I'll give it a shot. And I came here and immediately was greeted by Leslie. And if anyone who's ever met Leslie, that is it's a unique experience and a wonderful experience. And I felt like I had become a part of a family. Oh my gosh, the staff here at Main Image is amazing. It is just such a close-knit, wonderful group of caring people. They care about you, and there's no pressure for anything. It's just there to serve and help. And I just feel like they've made it's just a wonderful place to come to every single time. Very friendly, not just kind of friendly. It really is like a family. I feel like I walk into a family every time that I show up here. Being a client at Main Image and the things that, solutions that Leslie's brought to the table for me have changed my life. It's given me a lot more confidence and freedom. It's the freedom. I don't have to worry about my hair. I don't have to worry about going out in any weather. I don't have to spend a bunch of time on my hair. I have total freedom. I was living in baseball hats or a bunch of time on my hair. I don't have to do any of that stuff. I haven't put a baseball hat on since I have been here, and I have the freedom to go live my life exactly how I want. It's a game changer. It's been an absolute game changer for me. I can't say enough about it. I would absolutely recommend Main Image to anybody with any hair situation, whether it's your own hair or you're suffering from hair loss or whatever it is. It's a really not just offering great solutions, but absolutely wonderful, unique people.